Another new arrival is the 1936 Ford 68 V8 Series Deluxe Cabriolet, Washington blue over saddle, which is a great color.
Beautiful.
High-end restoration on this car. 221 cubic inch flathead V8. 3-speed manual transmission. You can dive into this paint job. You just dive right in. Keep going all the way to the
fathoms deep, as they say.
Fathoms deep. And juice brakes. What does that mean?
What did it say?
It said juice brakes.
Is that a brand name?
I don't remember that.
It was something written in the description. I think it's a typo.
Might be a typo. So whoever's checking my writing.
Yeah, Justin.
Yeah.